In this video, I will show you how to use motion blur in CAPCUT. It's actually very simple. So let's just open up a project right here. And what we want to do is go at the bottom and scroll all the way through. So click on the video and then scroll all the way through. And by the end, you see a motion blur icon. Here it is. So we want to click here real quick. And we have two options. We have blur and blend. Here they are. We can move them right, left, whatever we want. We have directions, both. We have times once. If we are not sure what to do, we can click the question mark right here, and we have an FAQ, which shows us different use cases for it. But what we want to do is just move them right here, just like this. Let's use both. Once click here, and now we'll wait. It says applying motion blur, and it will take some time to do because we clicked 100 and we're doing it on a longer video, but that's all you need to do. Hit the like button, really helps out. See you next one. Bye.